Now let's take a look at the AutoZoom feature. With the AutoZoom, we can automatically add a zoom or a camera motion to our footage. So over here, I've got a little sequence with a woman pouring a cup of tea. If we go up here and click on AutoZoom, we can define our sections by choosing the entire timeline or the in and out points. For here, I'll use the entire timeline, and we'll validate sections. Now we can make some fine-tuned adjustments over here, so we can change the zoom rhythm if we like, from moderate down to calm, up to energetic, but I'll leave it at moderate. And we can adjust our triggers if we like. For now, I'll leave it untouched. We can also anchor point and max zoom. So if we adjust this setting right here, we can adjust how far we want this to zoom in. So let's say if we did this, and if we grabbed our anchor point and moved it over here somewhere, that looks pretty good. We can also adjust our zoom styles. And if we want, we can enable camera movement. For this, I'll turn it off. But if you had it on, you can choose the strength of the camera movement. So moderate, subtle, strong, very subtle. For now, I'll turn it off. And we're going to skip this portion and go ahead and apply the zoom. And that will begin to load, and the changes will be made in the sequence. And there you go. Now let's go ahead and check out the sequence, and let's play it out.
And when my mama made that drink, all my worries were gone.
So as you could see, nice little subtle zoom. And what's cool about this is you didn't even need to use any keyframes. You didn't even have to go into effects controls to create those keyframes, to create a scale or any sort of movement over here. AutoCut just did it for you. Now, that's pretty cool, and it saves a lot of time.